In 1933, in the city of Harbin, in China's far northeast, the air, it was biting cold, and the river wind carried the smell of wet earth and iron. A bridge crew was working alongside the Songhua River when one of the workers' shovels struck something quite unusual. Brushing the dirt away, he found a human skull. Big, heavy, old. It measured more than 9 inches, 23 centimeters long. The brow ridges were thick, the face wide and flat, the eye sockets large and square. The region at the time was under Japanese occupation, and he feared what might happen if he handed it over. So he lowered it into an abandoned well and kept the secret. For more than 8 decades, that skull sat in darkness until his family finally passed it to scientists in 2018. When experts first examined, they thought it might belong to a new human species, Homo longi, or Dragon River Man. Its mix of traits, though, it did not match any known group. But newer tools told a different story. From hardened tooth plaque, researchers pulled ancient proteins and traces of DNA. They also studied dense bone from the inner ear. The results matched a mysterious group known as the Denisovans. They were first identified in 2010 from a single finger bone in a cave in Siberia's Altai Mountains. Before this, Denisovans, they were almost invisible. Just a handful of teeth and bone fragments, plus genetic clues found in people today from Tibet all the way to Papua New Guinea. The Harbin skull, at least 146,000 years old, gave them a face for the first time. Its features suggest a body built for cold northern winters, yet their DNA shows they ranged widely, surviving from icebound plains all the way to tropical forests. They lived alongside Neanderthals and early modern humans, sometimes raising families together. Some of their genes still help people today, like the one that lets Tibetans thrive in thin mountain air. A skull pulled from the frozen soil of the 1930s China now stands as lasting proof of a lost branch of our human family. Survivors whose story runs through our bones and through time itself. These are Interesting Things with JC.